Hey everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to fix Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and internet connection in Xiaomi 15. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on more connectivity and options. And then scroll down and here you can see the option reset Wi-Fi, mobile networks and Bluetooth. Now click on it and here you can see the option reset settings. After clicking on reset settings, your problem will be fixed. It will reset your Wi-Fi settings, mobile data settings and Bluetooth settings. After reset that settings, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.